How to join Shopify's affiliate marketing program. So I have just Google search for Shopify affiliate program, and we want to open up this first link. So from here, we can either choose apply now at the top right corner, or click on this button to apply now. It does the same thing essentially, and I will walk you through the process. So apply to become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commissions by referring new or established merchants to build their business on a Shopify store. Applications are generally reviewed within 3 business days, and it tells us that it takes about 5 minutes to complete. So I'm going to click on sign up here, and first we will see all of the contact terms. This is the first step. You want to read through them, and then right here at the bottom we will be able to see the terms and conditions as well. We can also read through them if we want to. We can also download them, and basically right here, if we click on accept, we will confirm that we have read, understood, and acknowledge and accept these terms. So we can click on accept here, and now we can sign up with email, Apple, Facebook, Google. I'm going to sign up with email. So first, last name, and mobile phone number. So I'm going to fill out my first name, my last name, the name that we want to use as our username, and the email address here. And we need to create a strong password. So I'm going to do, so it tells us that actually passwords must have a minimum of 8 characters, 1 digit, 1 special character, which basically means like exclamation mark or any of those. So I'm going to create a secure password here. We want to check I have read and accept the affiliate program terms, and here's where we actually add our phone number. So I'm just going to select my country, and I'm going to type out my phone number, and I will click on get started after I have typed this out, so bear with me. So here now you will be able to choose between an email confirmation or a mobile text message confirmation. I'm going to choose or just select my email and click on continue here. So now we will have received a verification code. So I'm just going to get this verification code here and paste it, and going to click on verify. So what is your primary business model? So we can do content reviews, deal coupons, loyalty rewards, creator, network, commerce, media, cross audience, monetization. I'm going to do creator, to your own audience, and social media platforms. So I'm just going to check this. We can only choose one. So I'm going to click on continue here. Which methods will you use to promote? Choose all that apply. So I'm going to do social. And here it will actually ask for the social media that we're going to promote it on. So I'm going to do YouTube. And it will actually ask me to log in into my account. So I'm going to come back in a sec. So I just basically logged into my account, and it tells or shows Shopify how many followers we have, which means subscribers basically. So I've just connected my YouTube channel to Shopify, and I'm going to click on continue here. So the next step, we have to tell them about ourselves. So I'm an individual or creator who promotes brands across my own social media companies or company. I am an individual. Account display name. So I'm going to do my account name here. Region. So we have to type out our address here and choose the time zone. I'm not going to touch the time zone, but the important part here is actually the currency that we want to receive our commissions in. So we can do US dollars, we can do Australian dollars, euros, or pounds. I'm going to leave it for US dollars, and I'm going to type out my address here. And basically, if you type out your address, city, zip code, and the currency you choose, which currency you want to receive your money in, if you click on submit here, you will actually submit your application, and then it will get reviewed. And if you get accepted, you will get confirmation on your email address that we just input in the previous step. So hope this helps. Good luck with signing up as a Shopify affiliate, and I'll see you next time.